two surviving crash victims were in court today.
I lost my whole life. I come to this city hall to see what the justice decision I want to see, the reasonable decision.
It is difficult for Jude Apahami to come to the courthouse. He's paralyzed from the chest down. He lost his mobility and his baby boy Shameen in July 2003 when an OC Transpo bus rear-ended their stalled car in the bus lane of Highway 174. Now he and his wife, who was also in the car, say that they want the trial of driver Lawrence Burt to prevent future tragedies.
I wish, and my husband also going to wish, never ever going to happen like these kind of problems to anyone in this country.
After the accident, investigators staged several reenactments with city buses, checking to see what visibility and stopping distances are like on that stretch of Highway 174. And today, much of the focus was on just how those events are staged and whether they shed any real light on the incident.
What you want to try and do is compare apples with apples. There wasn't any effort made at all to even try and use the same bus that Mr. Burt was in at the time of the collision. No explanation as to why.
The key question is whether Burt should have seen the Apahami's car looming up on the highway. But a witness today, who was standing beside him at the time of the accident, testified that she hadn't seen it either.
I told him I needed to see the time, and he went to read it to me, and as we both looked up, it was a matter of seconds before the car was right in front of us, and I hadn't seen a thing.
I don't know if it'll have any impact at all in the Crown's case. It simply indicates that the driver was there was a momentary distraction.
Whether the driver's level of attentiveness indicated criminal negligence is for the judge to decide. The impact on the Apahamis, meanwhile, has already been decided.
My life is changed too much. I don't had left anything. Everything is gone.
The trial of 49-year-old Lawrence Burt is expected to continue through next week. The Apahamis are also filing a civil suit against Burt, the city, and a city employee. It's been nearly a week since fire left over 1,000